Hey guys, welcome to Tuko Bites. I'm Chef Rachel and today I'll be showing you how to make bhajia, my version. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious. I know there are so many ways of making bhajia out there, but this has always worked for me and I believe you're going to enjoy it. Oh, before I forget, Joanne's sister and the mother, we were glad to see you enjoying the dinner at the brunch restaurant. Hope you had fun.
How was the food, dear?
The food was amazing. Good ambience. The service was quality. Thank you, brunch.
Thank you. Okay, guys, you can say hi to Tuko people.
Hi Tuko people. Thank you for the food. Thank you.
Awesome.
And for rest of you, stay tuned for more amazing giveaways to come. So I'm going to take you to the ingredients. So for my ingredients, I have potatoes, coriander, chili and garlic paste, paprika, turmeric. I have a glass of water and I have grams flour. And of course, we'll need some salt for seasoning. So we are going to cut our potatoes into thin slices. Reason being, I want them thin so that they can cook well once we start deep frying them in the oil. So the thickness is supposed to be really small, as I'm going to show you. So this is how you're going to do it. So as you can see, this is the thickness we want for our bhajia today. So I'm done making my potatoes, cutting them into slices. Now we are going to make the paste. So here I have my grams flour. I've added in some salt. I have about 5 tablespoons. So from here, I'm going to add in paprika and I'm going to add in the turmeric. So I'm going to add in the garlic and chili paste and I'm adding in the coriander. So I'm going to make a paste. The consistency should be more of a paste of a pancake. So we're just going to mix slowly until we achieve the consistency we want. So you add in water slowly to avoid the flour from forming the lumps, which are going to be very hard for you to start breaking. That's why you need to add water bit by bit. Ingredient that has been used, you can always substitute it with something else. So that's the good thing about cooking. And that's why I love cooking. So this is my version and trust you me, once you try it, you're going to love it. So for my paste, it's ready. As you can see, the consistency, this is what you want to achieve. So my oil is hot. Just make sure it's not too hot to burn the paste before the potato is cooked. My paste is ready and my potatoes. So I'm going to dip the potato like this into the paste slowly, and then we drop it in the oil. So make sure it's coated on both sides, and as it cooks, we give it time, and then it's going to be crispy on the outside and a bit soggy, fluffy inside. So make sure you cook it on low heat. So I've added in the potatoes, so we let them cook 3 minutes on each side. Make sure your oil is not too hot to burn the potato or the paste. So guys, as you can see, my bhajias are golden yellow and they are well cooked from inside and outside. Of course, outside they are crispy the way I told you earlier. So I'm removing them from the oil. I'll let them to cool for a minute or so, and then we're going to serve them. So guys, my bhajias are ready. As you can see, I love the color, the golden yellow. It's amazing. The taste so nice. The seasoning is perfect. So guys, hope you enjoyed spending time with me. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe for more amazing videos like this one, and remember to comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.